In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Google Gemini versus ChatGPT in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So ChatGPT and Gemini are two different LLM or language models, and these both have their own pros and cons. So if you're trying to go ahead and have a workspace task, research, video analysis, then I would highly recommend you to go ahead and use Gemini. It has so many different features like create image, canvas, deep research, create music, and many more that you can explore from here. And if you're trying to make a creative writing polished or even have an interactive learning experience, then I would highly recommend you ChatGPT. It also has multiple features like creating images, thinking, deep research, web search, canvas, and many more. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.